All right, folks, let's talk about the change capture stage. Imagine having two versions of a dataset, one before and one after. This stage is like a detective, spotting what's new, what's missing, and what's different. It's a lifesaver in ETL processes because it ensures updates don't go unnoticed. Tracking changes accurately keeps data clean and reliable, and let's be honest, no one likes messy data. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Welcome to the world of change capture. Think of it as comparing yesterday's news to today's headline, what's changed. This stage is a crucial component of IBM DataStage, working behind the scenes to make sure we only process meaningful changes. It's particularly handy in data warehousing, where tracking updates can make or break business decisions. The change capture stage is like a personal assistant for your ETL process. It keeps track of what's new so you don't have to waste time on unchanged data. By doing this, it boosts performance, saves resources, and ensures reports reflect reality. No one wants to see outdated numbers, right? Let's break it down. Change capture works with two input datasets before and after. From this, it creates a change data set and assigns special codes to track what happened. These codes help us filter meaningful updates. It's like color coding your emails, makes life a lot easier. All right, folks, let's talk about the magic behind the change capture stage. First, we pinpoint our source and target data sets. Without these, we're just staring at an empty screen. Then we tell the system which columns matter, because let's face it, not everything deserves attention. We apply filters so we're not drowning in unnecessary changes. And finally, we sprinkle some optimization magic with indexing and partitioning. Efficiency is key unless you enjoy watching processes crawl. Now onto the change apply stage. Think of it like piecing together a puzzle, but the pieces keep changing. First, we figure out how incoming changes fit into our existing records. Merging isn't just for traffic, it's crucial for data too. We also manage inserts, updates, and deletes like a data maestro, ensuring harmony. And finally, validation rules keep everything in check because nobody likes messy data unless you're a chaotic genius. All right, let's bust the confusion between change capture and different stage. Change capture is the detective. It finds modifications and tracks history like a pro. Meanwhile, the different stage is more of a compare and contrast guru, looking at two datasets side by side. If tracking changes over time is your game, change capture is your MVP. If broader comparisons are needed, different stage steps in. Choose wisely, data drama awaits. A performance optimization, it's like tuning up a race car but for data. First, indexing and partitioning prevent your system from having an existential crisis. Then we avoid unnecessary data transformations because nobody likes wasted effort. Parallel processing, that's the turbo boost. And finally, keep an eye on performance metrics, because running ETL without monitoring is like driving blindfolded. Exciting, but definitely a bad idea. ETL is everywhere, kind of like coffee in an office. We use it for migrating data from those ancient legacy systems that refuse to retire. Real-time analytics keeps businesses ahead of the curve, while data warehouse updates keep everything fresh. And of course, business intelligence ensures we're making informed decisions instead of flipping a coin. Data is power, let's use it wisely. And that's a wrap. We've covered change capture, change apply, optimization tricks, and how ETL keeps businesses running smoothly. The key takeaway: data is constantly evolving, and mastering ETL processes ensures you stay ahead. Keep learning, keep adapting, and most importantly, never stop questioning. Because the best tech experts aren't just problem solvers, they're curious minds pushing boundaries. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.